Hi, Catherine. How are you?
Fine at home, safe with my family, and you?
And come to, I hope the same soon. Do you know anything about coronavirus?
Yes, I know that it is a virus and it was first reported in Wuhan City in China. It is transmitted through the air, metal objects, and more. Symptoms of COVID-19 can range from common flu to pneumonia. People with coronavirus may experience fever, sore throat, shortness of breath, and others. This virus is considered to be aggressive if people don't have good defenses in their bodies. It can even kill them. That's the reason why we must remain in quarantine and respect the government security measures, such as wearing masks, keep the social distancing, and be 6 feet apart from each other, and avoid touching our eyes or noses.
And yes, I also heard that. I feel very angry that there are many people who don't respect the quarantine and continue to live their homes normally.
Do you know how serious this pandemic disease is?
And yes, this pandemic is really serious because it's a virus that spreads quickly. I heard that in China, the science claim to have discovered cure for coronavirus, but first they have to test. In Italy, the first weeks, there were a few people infected. The people didn't believe that the problem was serious. After a few weeks later, the number of infected grew without measure, and the number of deaths also. In Peru is similar. The problem here is that people don't respect the preventive measures.
I agree with you. People don't understand that this virus can kill anyone if they don't abide by security measures.
Know what World Health Organization suggests in this time? What food and exercise is good?
Yes, I hear that WHO suggested we should eat healthy food mainly, eating plenty of vegetables, fruits, vitamin C help maintain the body's defenses. They also recommend we should perform exercises to keep our body and mind healthy. It is also important to communicate with the family to give support and that they know we are well. Do you know what can governments do to prevent and slow down transmissions?
In my opinion, detection and isolation protocols should continue to slow the advance of the COVID-19. Also, I believe quarantine days should be increased to avoid more infections. I know there are people who go out to work because they don't have money to eat. There, uh, why the government implement the bonus. I think the government should follow up people that don't have received the bonus and accepting poor people given the bonus.
I agree with you. The government have noticed numbers of infected increased in other countries and take security measures. Do you think scientists or virologists will find a cure for the coronavirus?
I believe the science are doing everything possible and using everything experiencing people to get to vaccine. But I think it will take a couple of months. I know that many universities and research centers conducting trials. In your opinion, what are the main challenges that COVID-19 brings to our health care system?
Well, I believe Peruvian healthcare system is not prepared to take care of so many people. With the pandemic, hospitals have collapsed and there is no cure yet. We also don't have enough medical materials for doctors and nurses. I think the government should increase their salaries because they're the one risking their life to treat their sickness.
Uh, Yes, for example, there aren't many breathing machines for all six. Well, Catherine, I have first now, we talk tomorrow.
It has been a pleasure talking to you, and stay home. See you, Luis.
See you, Catherine.